Hey guys, it's Ambiciosa Josa, and today I'm gonna show you this plant in that corner of the balcony, and we're going to transform that empty space into this fairy garden. It's a very small fairy, like a nursery garden. So first, you have to gather your twigs and moss, which is very important, very essential for the making of the fairy garden. In my other video, I'm going to show you how to collect moss and twigs. Just check my other videos, guys, and you're going to find it out there. So, first step, simply dig in and remove some soil, old soil. Why do we have to remove? So, we will have space to add a new good soil. Because the baby plants need good new soil. So now it's time to put our mountain driftwoods. I'm using mountain driftwoods this time, guys. I have also a collection of driftwoods, the real driftwoods, the one that are coming from the beach and from the river. But I'm going to use these ones that I collected from the mountain. This is driftwoods. Most of them are the sage branches. So on putting this, there's no pattern. You just need to follow the shape of your space garden. For example, in this case, we have the circular space. So it's a bit tricky, but there's no right or wrong. It depends on your taste, and it depends on how you want to look it like. So now all the driftwoods are there. You have to fill it more with soil. And brush off the soil from the top of the driftwoods, so you won't cover your driftwoods. The purpose of the driftwoods is to give that really nice look of a magical garden that we are aiming on this, what we are making. So now it's ready to be planted. We have to, one by one, plant now the choices of succulents that we want to plant in our fairy garden. Also, we need pea balls or those little stones, depends. If you're working on a small space, of course, you have to choose your smaller sizes of pea balls and stones. And also your succulents must be also in small sizes, or as I said, there's no right or wrong here. There's no pattern in here. The most important thing here is how you're gonna put them all together and create that enchanted garden look. So I have these babies that I just propagated, and I thought that I want to put them all there, and when they become a bit bigger, I'm gonna pull them out and replant again some babies, so they're not gonna overpower or they're not gonna cover all those driftwoods. So this little garden will serve as it would be like a nursery for succulents. So these are the only available baby succulents that I have at this moment, and when I will have the chance, I'll get more beautiful ones, and we'll add more on this small garden, or maybe I'll replace some of them. But at this time, we'll just gonna put whatever the available in the house. Guys, doing this kind of gardening is so much fun. It's like playing. It's like playing dollhouse. You have also your mini garden. This is not that, little mini garden. It's a huge pot. I just want to transform and give a very nice look on the topsoil. So look at these babies. Look, they're so teeny weeny. So small, but they fit in there, right? So beautiful. They're so small. I also love those ones that has pink and those that has yellow colors, small cactuses. So much fun. I really enjoy doing this. So now it's halfway done, but wait, we're just halfway. Now we have to add something else. Yes, time to put and fill in those empty spaces with the moss. I really love the idea of using moss on fairy garden. It really gives such look that is so green, so nature, so magical. It's just so different. Without the moss, I think that this garden will be so lifeless. But the moss really enlightens, really gives that kind of shine on our fairy garden. And also those little pebbles. Well, all the elements, they work together to create this really beautiful fairy garden look. Isn't it lovely? Almost done. Hang on there, guys. Please watch until the end. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you will be notified each time we have a new post. So they're still missing. It's so beautiful now, but I feel that something is missing in here. So I made these fairy houses, and we will put one of it in the fairy garden, and let's see how it would look like. Perfect! That spot is just really perfect for that fairy house. Simple fairy house in a very simple fairy garden. Simply beautiful. Wow! It made a huge difference. It was already beautiful, but it became more beautiful and lively when we put that fairy house. I made this part of this video after 5 days, and you can see the difference. The plants are growing, and I feel that they're happy there, being a part of our fairy garden. Beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I inspired you, and I hope that you too will do your own fairy garden. Thank you.